Hi, today we're doing 7-12 and we're going to meet our learning target, which is I can use quantitative reasoning to understand rates, ratios, and percents by using equations, models, and mental math. Today we're going to be converting between centimeters and millimeters, which is definitely going to take some quantitative reasoning. It says, number one says label the double number line to show how centimeters and millimeters are related. Well, we know if we're dealing with meters, there's 100 centimeters within a meter, and there's 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter as well. So let's take a look here. If this is a 1, then I know automatically this is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 centimeters. So in millimeters, because these are smaller and there's more of them, in each centimeter there's going to be 10 millimeters. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So now let's come on down to here. It says we can write two unit rates comparing centimeters to millimeters, and here they are. There are 10 millimeters per centimeter, okay? Per is that how you know it's a unit rate. And we can write this unit rate as 10 millimeters per centimeter. So there you have it. Here's another one. There is 1/10, and if I look up here, there's 1/10 centimeter per millimeter. So if this is one full one, then only 1/10 of a centimeter is going to equal a millimeter per. So essentially all I did was take the 10 millimeters over here and flip it to fractions since the centimeters are larger. We can write this unit rate as 1/10 centimeter per millimeter. Let's come on down here. Unit rates are helpful for converting measurements from one unit to another. Converting is changing, maybe going from millimeters to centimeters or centimeters to meters or kilometers, whatever unit we're using. So let's take a look. Write and solve a proportion. This should look very familiar because this is your cross multiplication here. They just took this and multiplied it by this to represent this. And 1 centimeter times x right here, okay? And so then they did 520 because 52 times 10, and then they did the x over here. Come on over to this side. 52 centimeters. Now notice you can't see it right here, but what they did is they found that common unit and they crossed it out, and so they said really 52 times 10 millimeters is 520 millimeters. The unit centimeter cancels, leaving the unit millimeters. Okay, so come on down here. It says, so 52 centimeters equals, there's our answer, 520 millimeters. Now we know that's reasonable because centimeters are larger and there's 10 centimeters for every 1 centimeter. Sorry, there's 10 millimeters for every 1 centimeter. So we know our answer is reasonable because this needs to be about 10 times as large as this. Okay, come on down to number 3 and go ahead and solve this one on your own. Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, you should have gotten x times 10 for the cross multiplication equals 1 times 85. Then 10x equals 85 and x equals 8.5. Your answer here should have been 8.5 centimeters. And the same over here, your answer should be 8.5 centimeters. So hopefully that's what you got. Flip to the back page. Now I'm going to have you go ahead and fill out number 4. Because this double number line is dealing with feet and inches. So take a second to pause the video and fill out the double number line for feet and inches. Okay, now if I were to actually fill this out, we already know this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the feet scale. And then for every 1 foot, there's 12 inches. So 12